Another pretty standard, straightforward question here in terms of difficulty. All right. So the nice thing with this is it's got the primes on there, so I don't have to concern myself with what I'm doing with this. Now it has to make it kind of all the way around over into here. All right. So if I do this, let me erase that for a second. I can do it with a rotation, but the nice thing about most of the rotations are that I can do it with reflections instead normally. So I'm going to do this really quick here with a rotation and show you what happens. And then I'm going to talk about maybe what more of you might be more likely to do. Maybe I look at this and I'm like, oh, look, it rotates. People that, understand rotations well just kind of see them. So if I go like that, and then I go like that, okay, you can see that it's pretty close to where it should be. All right, it is right in that location down there, and it's supposed to be there. So it had to shift a little bit. All right, so I could do rotation 180 degrees. I always put the direction because the time you don't is the time you need it. Okay, I went counterclockwise, and then I need to shift left one, up one to get to the right spot. So then translation left one, up one. Okay, so translation left one, up one. All right. I could also do a double reflection. I could reflect it over this axis and then this axis and then do the same translation. Okay. If you're doing the reflections of the rotation, do it. Okay. You saw me sit there and do the rotation with my computer. You can do it by just turning the paper and looking at it. Okay. So we want to make sure that we're doing these. And I know I've said that 100 times in this file, but it's really, really important if you want to be able to get these correct.